Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you hear no sound coming out of your Coocaa CNTF2NZ TV. So if your TV isn't playing sound, then first of all check the mute button on your remote control, which is located right here in the top right corner. So just press it and make sure that your TV is unmuted. Also adjust the volume using the volume controls right here. So try increasing the volume, and maybe after increasing the volume high enough, your sounds will start playing. But if not, we can also go to the sound menu and adjust some sound settings. To do that, press menu button in the top left corner of your D-pad, then use right arrow key to navigate to the sound tab, then use a down arrow key to go to the sound mode, but basically the sound mode will not change anything. Instead, we should look at the balance option and try to adjust the balance here. So use left and right arrow keys to adjust the balance, and in the process check whether it improves the sound. Also, you can enable or disable auto volume level, and maybe it will also adjust some settings of your TV. The last thing to check for is the mini jack port, which is located on the back of your TV. It is reachable from the left side of it, and so make sure that you have no headphones plugged into your TV. So the mini jack port is the bottom one. It's on the left side on the back of your TV at the very bottom. Make sure that you have no headphones plugged into that port. And after that, everything should be working properly and you should hear the sound from your TV. If not, you can still cold reboot your TV simply by unplugging it from the power source for about a minute, and then after a minute just plug it back in and try playing the media that you were trying to previously play once again. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.